Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Gmail from Claude AI so you can manage your account access and privacy more efficiently. And this is quite simple, so let's get started. First, you want to open your Claude and click this plus icon right over here. Then you want to choose connectors, and there are two ways to disconnect Gmail. One is from this part. You can just toggle this off, and just like that, Gmail is now disconnected. But to do this more efficiently, you can also go to Manage Connectors. And from here, you can either adjust the permissions or disconnect this completely. And basically, that's it. Now, Claude will no longer be able to read, search, or interact with your emails, which is useful if you no longer need the integration or just want to tighten your privacy. So basically, that's it. Disconnecting Gmail from Claude AI is a quick way to stay in control of your data and decide exactly what Claude can access. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.